Mm. I don't feel so. Mommy!
Hey. How you look so?
Oh, my look.
You look like you fly high though.
What do you mean by me a fly high?
Tell me something. You never come home last night.
Mommy, me a big woman.
You're a big woman, yes. But you don't believe so people worry about you. You don't have phone. Hey, your phone get to that man and you can't pick up phone and say, Mommy, me not come home tonight.
Mommy, the phone is dead. So,
You high though, so when you smoke or drink, so they make you so high at this time in the morning.
Look at me look high?
Yes, you look high.
Anything you tell me right now, remember, we can't tell you.
What is 9 times 12? And why you
66.
166 for true, cause you're not high. Eh? You come in and you know, sister, your room burned down last night. Eh? Fire catching in your room last night and you know, sister, your room burned down last night.
Oh God! Oh God! Please say, Mommy, my room burned down. How the room be burned down?
Yeah, man, the room burned down. The room burned down last night for true.
Oh God! Mommy, I have to make the room burn down. When we go to sleep now?
You're a real jackass for true. You're high as a kite. Eh? 166. And you know, sister, me come out to the house. Which part of the house for burn down? You damn idiot, you.
Mommy! God, you're not fair go on some money. You don't know what to say. Oh, I want to look something, you know.
You can't manage it, Riri. That me I tell you, if you do one, do the other, don't do the other, don't do the smoking and the drinking. Your little brain can't manage the two.
You're alright now. Anyways, Mommy, you're alright.
Me more alright
You cook
than you.
inside?
Nothing a day in there.
Eh?
Nothing a day in there, my girl.
Nothing a day in there?
Nothing there. Anyway. I do road me I go pan to go look something to eat and sort out.
Where you go buy?
But I mean I know, cause me barely have it. So me I go see if me can trust. Me I go see if me can trust piece of saltfish or something. And
For yourself?
When you ever see me cook just for me. When you ever see that.
So money, yeah. Come go buy one tin mackerel and come eat it with crackers inside.
Okay, one thing with you, you're not grow mean. That's why I love you. Here what? Make you and me do the road. Let me teach you how to turn your hand behind you, make fashion when you know how nothing.
Alright, come on.
I want to talk to you. That's why we come up on the road too. I hear some things. I mean I like it. I mean I see some things you do. I mean I like it. Get stuff under the bills. You're young and you're beautiful. Look at your beautiful body God give you. Huh? You mash it up every night. Smoke and drink. The other day, me have to wash away the vomit from outside the front door. You know, so your little body can't manage it. Eh?
What do you mean by my body can't manage it?
If your body could manage it, my girl, you would be throwing it up every night. You know, so say, I waste some money.
I don't waste no money. I know me I spend, so why me I waste? Why, how would I waste money?
What do you mean I know you are spend?
You hear things and I hear everything.
So that means what me I hear are true. That's why I never want to start with that. Because I don't want you start for me and trip your head say, me accuse you. So that's true? You take people man out the street?
Me? I don't take nobody man. I didn't man supposed to follow me. And I didn't man to spend. And you see people them want to spend, me I run them way, me I make them spend. If me did have me one money no more, I run them way. But me not have me one money.
So why you not build up yourself, do the work, build up yourself, save up your money? Me not say don't go out and enjoy yourself, but when you have your own money, you have your own independence.
Mommy, listen. 95 can't pay you. You have to take risks.
No, sir. Them the risk me no want you take.
You feel like me working at 95 go make me rich?
You can save up, pinch,
No,
pinch.
that can't make me rich. That I go broke me down. A poverty me go stay in for the rest of my life.
Well, then you start
If
your
me
own
run risk-
business.
If me run risk now, me know I'm sure say me can rich. You don't want to see me a drive big car. You don't want to see me in a big house.
Ay, sir. You can't put all head
You don't want to come out of poverty.
Yes, me want that for you. You could do better than me.
Mommy, me I live my life. Me just a pray say, me just a live.
No, but the way you go is the way to destruction.
No,
I don't
mommy.
want nothing happen to you. I don't want to see my baby girl on the news.
You won't see me on the news, believe. You won't see me on it. You just have faith in your daughter. Everything gonna be alright. Stop
You're-
worrying for yourself.
You're a good girl. I don't want to see nothing happen to you.
Mommy, you didn't know so me travel the 14 parish. How much parish again? Me still feel high enough.
And that they said, what if you never make it home? What if you meet a dirty foot stranger out a road
Mommy,
with
I
a bad
want-
intention? And them the things me I want you for. How you know say man and woman now spike your drink when you gone out?
You can't spike my drink. I'm gonna make a boy argue and throw up my drink, mommy.
When you're high, you don't know what you do. And you know
When?
always go with people who you trust. You go on your own. You love to roam like on your own.
No, mommy, you better me go on for my own. Can you see all of who they talk bad about me? They might go get what they business in our life.
Now listen.
Mommy, we buy me now, listen.
Take heed out to it though, baby. Huh? Is your life, you don't want life.
Oh, God. I'm tired. Timmy,
I want to be.
you know, cook. How
No,
hungry, man.
no, not really. You know, so we never get a chance to cook though.
Timmy, how you never get the chance to cook today? You know what time me I left work? Where they are, though?
Be, I did drop asleep one night time. I'm tired, be, and when we wake up back, I say it already late. So it don't make no sense to cook.
Look at this to you today. It is so unfair. I think it's unfair for me to get up every day and I go to go work and you're not doing nothing and me I provide. You're not doing anything. Look at the place. Now in the place they couldn't clean up. Look at the clothes. Timmy, where they are, Timmy?
So I tell me, say the one time you know do something, I think it cost me, tell me.
You're supposed to know if you do it all the time, Timmy. Listen to me. You know what? I mean you wrong too. Because I make go look you. Me tell you say I want a man, yes, that means I want a lazy man. You expect me to say you not work, so me got to go work and provide. You're not doing anything. All the time I lay down and up on TikTok live and these people. That's all you're good for? You make money?
Bro,
Why am I hungry?
B, if you understand sometime to man.
Understand what?
We do it every day. One time I not do it, you go use it against me.
Timmy, yesterday you give me crackers and Lasco tea. That can't full belly if you go out there and work.
So I look up. B, you know, breakfast at me. You tell me say, what me can never tell me say I want something else.
Me want something strong in my system for eat and me I go to work. You know, say a night shift me have last night. No, me come in. Me can't come in to at least me come in, come wash, cook and clean.
So,
And what you there for?
so I still can cook same way.
Okay then.
Or you go buy something to eat.
Who? Tell me you go and go buy something you can give me for eat. And me I wait for you.
But I forget it from. I don't know, so I don't have it already be.
Take your money out of your jar.
What you want to eat?
Just buy something to cook. Buy something to cook. Buy something.
So,
And don't take long cause me hungry.
no, take that.
God. The find that cook why did the walker come up?
I want you know, I don't want you to get beaten or worse. Leave people, man.
Come up come. Hi, what's up?
You there?
You good?
No much good. What you do me?
True me see you look like some stray dog. Alas.
Oh really?
Where they go?
You know, say a shop, but I don't really know where shop there. I like if you could have followed me and show me where shop.
I'm sure it's about to shop there.
Yeah,
Alright.
sure.
Mommy, go on down. You soon come.
I warn you, little girl. I warn you. Be careful.
Mommy, when they just come up and they didn't know where shop there.
Hmm.
Yeah, they didn't know it's about to shop there.
Me learn where the shop there.
Well, me gonna make you learn today now. So go on down. You soon come. So I'm sure it's about to shop
good.
there.
So you're sure where shop there?
Yeah, me know it's about to shop
How
there.
long now you live there?
Good while.
Oh, me just move it.
Oh God.
What is shop lock?
Me know.
Say, you couldn't tell me say shop lock.
No, me did want to talk to you. That's why I'm not tell you say shop lock.
Talk
Come
to
me want to talk to you.
But
See if you go on so. Anyways,
yeah.
you know, so I'm gonna want you.
Mm.
I'm gonna want you. See, you have one woman,
No.
make sure. So, you live by yourself?
Yeah, you can call it so cause move come in the lane. I'm not find nobody else.
I'm gonna want to do.
You sure no money I want? I no money they look.
Listen, I'm tell you this now. Me have my money. Me can't mind you.
You
Yeah,
sure?
me have my money. Me not stay like them other girls who broke and they look money. Me have my money, so. What you say?
Well, if possible.
Is possible?
You answer gone. You have a phone?
Yeah, mama doesn't walk with you.
Alright, put your number on.
See it there. My name Riri.
Really? Alright. Nice name you have though.
Yeah, thanks.
So here what me I go do? Like where shop lock.
You
Go run go back down because I have peace for fire.
peace my fire?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, hurry yourself. So make me walk go down now?
No, me can't do that one next time. Me too fast.
What do you mean no?
Next time make you link up.
No, I remember say I see where you live to, you know?
That I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, come down with peace, bull up.
Alright, well.
Jimmy,
Eh?
where you come from?
No shop be where me fear come from.
Shop.
No shop, you said me.
Yeah, me say I got shop, but you come back with nothing. So where you come from?
Shop lock, me did turn up and wait for shopping.
Me call shopping. Shop lock, yes, but shop is in their town. So how you feel the upper shopping shop and wait for him up there like? What you do up there? Where you there so long?
Be me turn up there and wait for shopping. And you say shop lock. You not tell her that already?
But how you feel you go there say shop lock today? Why you up there and wait for him?
Somebody tell me say shopping soon come back. So,
And in their town?
so how me if you know that? Me not have shopping number, how me if you know that?
Well, me have your mechanic. Me out checking my bathroom to see if there's not up on the road.
B, you like someone, me not like how you don't trust me, you know, B. What me if you really do? You said me go shop lock. Me turn up say me I wait for a shop if you want to get what you said me go buy.
Eh,
I know me come and cuss it.
I'm not cussing. Me dey go check down there so to see if you done there, so come on, get up. Get up, come on, go in my bathroom. Come on.
You see,
You're lucky.
you don't even trust me.
Lucky.
You tell her something already and you don't trust me, bro.
No, God, me have to go check if I say, God, me say, you're lucky, you know. I'm lucky up to say you never go do nothing.
So if me even do something, how you gonna know, B?
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, Mr. Mention. Pick up yourself and go do something you will know. Pick up yourself and go do something you will know.
You're not gonna know.
Don't worry yourself, boy, fine out. I want to have me come go look my father. And come back.
So how me gonna know say your father you go link him?
How else you gonna link to me?
Me don't know. You say you go link your father, me not watch you, me not follow back on you.
Stay in the yard, I'm going to link my father and come back. That's how you need to know. You need to know nothing more, nothing less. Soon come back.
Sorry, say me left me yard come over here, you know.
You're not saying now, what you said while ago, Daddy? I forget you like...
You have to clean up, whatever happen. You don't make me clean up too much dust and blow.
Anyways,
So you get up boogie.
I'm coming to you. I'll talk to you about something.
How you know when man a cheat?
What kind of stupid question you ask your father? Me a man, how me gonna know how man cheat? Eh? How me... How me...
You a man. So we know when another man is cheating. Cause one time I catch you, I say, yeah, give me money, no, can I catch you? The time I beg her the $500, I'm looking at the wallet, I say, use condom. I never know what condom be until that day. So I know say that chick, I tell you all that I could have tell mommy. I never tell mommy. I know about it. How you when man a cheat? And why man cheat?
You say, you pick me? That's why we
Me
father...
big enough now, come here work, me big enough
We
now.
father must be careful of what we send picnic. Go take up money. Because... And we cause it sometimes for ourselves, you know. We cause it. Well, if you know when a man a cheat, it's simple. You see if a man eager to search your phone every minute,
Yeah.
he might cheat.
Oh.
Yes. You see if every minute you see him or peep, he might cheat because I wonder if you are do the same thing what him a do.
Oh.
The vice versa, same thing with the woman them. The woman them too, when they cheat, they do the same thing. But let me tell you another way how to know that man cheat. Because some man will cheat and no business about you. They no business about your phone. Right? It's easy. So one if a man cheat, it was 5 different persons of text. So.
I'm not gonna energy then. Because I'm telling you, I see what happened in my past relationship with my ex. I don't want to happen to the new one I have now.
Well,
Because
if you want...
Because TB is my lifeline now. Because the other day they beat him, I slapped him out of the machine.
You slap the man out of the machine, so you look like you're the man in the relationship.
No, I'm not the man in the relationship, I'm the woman in the relationship.
So why you slap the man with machine for?
I say, I come around the house. And I peep through the window at him that I say a chat on phone. I never know who I chat on phone. And I say ring back your number. You say you ring back your number. Nobody not talk. I not hear nothing. So I say I must girl. So I just start beat him.
Yes. The girl you soft and you tough.
I beat him out of the machine.
So how we have tried for because I never beat your mother yet, you know?
Me not follow my follow myself.
And your mother never tried to put a hand on me.
Daddy, guess what? It's not the last relationship I did there with the man. The man give me bun go and give me bun come. I will the owner people who me call my friend. But me and the man need the one roof when I used to study at college and give me bun.
Let me ask you a question.
Him and the brown girl.
Let me ask you a question.
And then him and the other one was skin out at night time to make money.
You love the man?
Yes, I love him now. I
If
love
he
TV.
cheat on you, keep it.
No, yeah, you
You keep and that's why you always lose a relationship.
No.
One bun is not a bun.
And I want, listen to me, I explain something to you, Daddy. That's something at the last relationship I'm learning. You see, when Dave give me bun, me keep Dave and I forgive him over and over and over and over. So I go have in my head, say, all right, if me get Kayla bun, tomorrow she go and forgive me, I'm good again.
Oh.
I'm not leaving, you can't do that. When
You're
they
very
give bun, you
smart.
left
All right.
them.
You're very
Yes.
smart. So you want me asking now? Don't talk to your man soft and gentle and work it out with him. Just tell him to babes, let me tell you something. We want an honest relationship. You can search the phone, where you can link WhatsApp together. And you can check your WhatsApp. Right. That's simple as that. A tough question about them something the man. Yeah, man.
So, Daddy. I want another really come to talk to you
What?
about still. Mommy not send no money.
Me I go down and shop before I lock. Yeah.
So mommy not send no money.
Me don't want to talk about that now, man. No, you talk about that. You talk about something else and you can talk about money now.
Or that me come up to talk to you about differently. The money what mommy supposed to send.
Anyway,
Huh?
I forgot wait till she send back more because we usually fix up something for the house up there and me remember until when we spend off it. 1,000 and left out time money still. Indeed, give it.
Wait. You find go in your shop.
No, you can't do that. At 20
Me
can you
follow
send
you good in your
1,000
shop.
left for
Me
one day?
follow you good in your shop. The moment can get 20,000 and you have 1,000 left. Go on. Me I go buy something in your shop. Me hungry. My man never cook no food left here.
Yeah, I know.
Me gonna get ready and now to go to work. So I flip the clothes and I'm come back and say, honey, please, me I beg you at least 3 today, yeah?
Alright, I'm going to look forward to dinner. Put on when you come in, you can get something to eat. I make sure time so when you come, it's warm. You know,
Tibi.
cold food.
Chibi, yes, if you know, see you nah look born no dinner give me. Tell me from now, so me eat at work. So me not come back and starve like I come yesterday, I can't starve, you know.
Be me, I look about this something. I tell her that already. Me not
Yesterday, I never look born on. The
tell her.
day
That
before that, you give me last
yesterday,
cup.
today.
Me not trust him. Me not trust him. Me not trust nobody at all.
How you not trust me? So what you have me to do here then if you not trust me?
Me have to watch anyway, you go please on the foot of the yard, turn in the yard. Not even my palm me don't trust. You see what I see? Me ain't do my man. Me can't trust man.
Why do you, man?
No worry about that, and ask me about that. So me come go work on it, here.
Alright.
And later.
Later.
Tibi, you know if you know.
What?
She's like my left leg and then hug me up. Is it my left leg?
Oh, sorry about that.
Me tell us you have mood change. You sure see you not on the road?
What me feel do I road?
Me don't know, me have eyes out there, see you.
Take your look out, man, and go and work. We can
Yes.
cook.
I remember to cook you look food for me.
What you want for dinner?
Anything, but not crackers. You hear?
So me I look about chicken and rice.
Yes, good. Later.
Alright.
Morning, Riri.
Morning, mommy.
You out here how long? And you see the place need raking up and you don't even think to rake up the yard?
Mommy, can't wake up my hot yard right now. Me too hot for that.
You too hot for that? Yeah, before you go to the street, you're there text and a laugh and a look on mirror. You know no little shame. Clean up the yard, man.
When I get ready to go up on the road.
Go up on the road. You love roads, so. Huh? Me not like you on the road, you know. And you can't manage it.
Who can manage it? And the brown boy me they go meet.
You gotta meet him. You have him number for meet him and you gotta walk road and a look for
No,
him.
me take his number when me carry him up at the shop.
You carry him to the shop. You make that boy walk in the sun hot. And you know so the shop not open. You're wicked, you know.
Actually, me didn't want to talk to him. That's why me carry him up at the shop. Me can't talk to him when you did it.
Me warn you, you know. Me warn you. What if you would have a thick girlfriend that want to beat you up? What you would do? How you hot? The last time me know of you hotness, a young girl a run you down the lane with big stick a beat you, you run and ball and a kick up and a run and a ball. What if the next one ticker? You know if him have a man?
That have nothing to do with me.
Nothing to do with you when the tick lick by you. You gonna drop ping, look how your mouth and small. You can't take lick from big stick, girl.
Oh, you know that? Mommy, calm down yourself. Me soon come back. Me go up on the road.
You go up on the road. Me no want nothing do you.
Nothing I do me.
Nothing I do you. Little more. Me no want to bury you, know, my child.
Mommy,
And you
no,
for
you're
come
not
bury me. Me are the big woman. You are the picnic. You have life to live. Get a job. Start a business. Do something constructive. And earn your money. Stop thief people, man. And stop fight woman for them, man.
Mommy, me soon come back.
You know, listen.
Oh God, you know how long me away for them for the photo yard, what?
I know a long more left out of yard to car just because I have to wait till my sister left the yard.
You have to wait till your sister left out of yard. What make you have to wait for your sister to come out of yard before you can come on the road?
Because me a bigger one and I'm back to school, so I have to make sure she reach her school.
Oh, me understand. So what?
Yeah, man, me probably can spend 3 to 4 hours with you on the road. You know?
No.
Me have to go back.
No. 3 to 4 hours. Me can never have one man, who go spend all the 3 to 4 hours with me. I can't spend the whole day with me. What you have to do so you can't spend the whole day with me?
Me have to go back home, you know. My sister soon come from school and me tell her say me a bigger one, you know.
Your sister now come from school until we are 7 o'clock. So we are trying to tell me now her son very much hot.
So me now have to cook some food so she can get to eat when she
No,
come from
so
school.
we can't find excuse. Why me can't want to spend no day with me?
Yeah, where me go though? Go spend the day with her. But me have to go back home in the evening though.
In 7 o'clock?
You're good with that?
Yeah, alright, come on.
wife, you know, and stop burning weed, you know. Stop burning weed.
General.
What one?
You know, I can't get a meet with a girlfriend.
You know, son, not really my girlfriend know me general, because yesterday I know her.
Oh.
But dear thing, man.
Ah, respect me, man. Where the pan? What go on?
Hey, you just take out the pampas, sir?
You know for that, man. What go on?
Not only there, I want.
You're not planning to give me back a chance.
No.
I'll be a thing I go on. I'll be a thing I go on now.
What do you mean by betting me are going?
You left me for no, that are not, I see the things I left me for, you know. Me and the girl never there. You see me?
Yeah, and the girl did there.
You not see me kiss the girl or nothing, you know. You see me hug up the girl.
I don't know what I do. I try public with it now.
Mama, I don't like to come and catch a girl on me. I road me see girl upon that. And me did and me and the girl they go and leave and thing.
And then again, if me figure you back a chance, you don't have no money. You're broke. You don't need a broke man.
I don't know money I know, but me still have money.
We call soon.
Soon, like when me get to work and thing.
Well, me don't want you. See me man here. So me don't know how him a tell you say me and him a just friend and we meet 2 days ago. I lie him a tell. This is my man. So we'll and come again. Cause you broke. Come on here.
What? What? Come on. Boy, I really just want to put myself in a...
Me and your woman.
Let me answer. Let me know.
Too hot, man.
Good evening, good afternoon, Shaman.
Good afternoon.
How was your afternoon going? Good?
Giving thanks. You?
Yeah, I'm not so hungry, but I try, you know. But I something I come to check about still. I don't know if you could help me get back your daughter.
Help you get back my... You know Riri by now. Her head hot and her head strong.
Yeah, I still love her and I still have feelings for her and I just not like, I don't want to see her with nobody else. But me, you know, not say me selfish, but I just...
Me can't talk to Riri for you, you know. What Riri needs is a good man.
I'm a good man.
A good man. If you was a man now, you wouldn't need to come to the mother. You see the dog and puss and lion and tiger got to the lioness mother. Him show her say, him is a man. Him is a king of all beasts. And him choose him lioness, him choose him queen. And him queen come to him and they make life.
Yeah, but me try that thing about, you know, Riri, as you say, Riri is she's a hard case to crack. I understand, I try my best and I know if I throw me alone, I try if she not really take talk from me.
I don't know what to tell you, you know. I don't know what to tell you. Because them say you're an ex for a reason. So maybe you should try move on. Move on, don't go backwards, go forward.
You can't move on if me and my past still stuck on she.
Well, you have to unstuck it, and only you can unstuck it and
So
move on.
Even try to talk to her. You know she don't mind listen to you, but I don't feel good if you at least try to talk to her.
Me I gotta be honest with you. Me can't go talk to her. And then little from this, wanna catch up again.
No,
And then Riri, my daughter, I got turn to me and say it's my fault for me push her upon you. And then the done broke up already and me push her upon you. And then little from this, you hear so home with bad mind, cause anything can happen. So we can't talk to her for him, so I'm not gonna give you no false
you know,
hope.
so I see her doing it a while ago. And she leave me some type of way.
Could that not tell you something?
Yeah, but at least she can't deal with me so. She tell me say she have mean man and I see her with one nigga and she deal with me a type of way in front of nigga. I don't really like them vibes there.
No. Riri, she would have tell me. Riri not no man. She would have tell me.
But when she said, she said, my man, this man. She said she must meet the man one next day or yesterday or so. I don't know.
Well, I'm in a business with that. You come here to talk about you. And all me can say to you, say, Move on. If she have a new man, she better not. If she have a new man, that not tell you something? Move on, man. Don't go back with it. Everybody move forward in them life.
Well, that's true, but me, I just see where me feel about time. Me, you know, my heart still tied to she. But as I say, be a man and so me I go do it my way. I go be a man and go to her and talk to her.
Talk.
Yeah, talk.
And listen, we all have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. And if my daughter tell you, say, she don't want you, just move on. Me no hear, me no want hear no foolishness between the two of you, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright, walk good. She better not to cut that out, man.
Timmy! I don't see him play with me. Timmy! Come on. Come on, the man be fitting like I wear a mother will fit in there, you know. Come on. I left that one. Alright. Alright. Come on, baby. Timmy! You take me around or something? Alright. What do you want to do with you?
Just the person I want to see. You had a visitor today.
Who that is?
Now, Bob.
I said we are something about him up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I feel lucky mouth. Must you feel like I like him.
You did like him one time. Him come round and I see him say you the jumping on my grave so fast.
Baby.
You just get up, stand up, from the one
Mommy.
up on you.
What wrong with you?
Right. Him come round and ask me to ask you to talk back to him. And at first, me did kind of think of foolishness. But me thinking about it now. Everybody deserve a second chance.
Listen to me now. Listen to me now. Let me tell you this now. I don't want Bob. Bob broke a back up. Why me go think myself I'm going to want a broke relationship? Poverty go kill me.
But how you know say this year one not broke too? How you know say this one not have a thick as girlfriend ready to bop you down? Eh?
No girl can't back me down.
And how you mager and skinny? She if you lick her, she gonna drop both. If she pan you, a breeze blow pan you Riri, and you gonna drop pen. Come on.
Mommy, you feel so sorry for him. Why you never go? Why you not go there with him then? You feel sorry for him? There with him.
That
You
the
know
young boy. Then why you want people gossip about me?
See, young boy I love, cause you pick up him and me tell you say me as your daughter tell you say me no want a broke man. If what can't take me out of poverty, you still tell me say me fi give him a second chance and this that. You there with him then?
Riri, you think some money make relationship? What you want? You want a pimp or you want a relationship?
Don't let me come
Take your
to
foot
you.
out of my face.
Mommy, I come to you and I bought to you when that boy give me bun and you really want me to come myself and walk to the wide but you tapping eyes and go on in. Stopping eyes and go on in, go lie down and rest your brain. Cause I think you lose on their screw. Them go check under the bed bottom.
You know who lose them screw? Number one, who lose them screw is you.
Who lose them screw?
Who you talk to so you know that the tone?
Mommy, you.
Who you talk to that the
Mommy,
tone? Little girl.
come out of my love life.
You think say you too big for your butt? Little girl, if you ever spit in a mouth and shut your butt, you piss yourself to death. How are you blah 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 blah?
You don't talk now?
You ready for listen?
You don't talk?
You know what?
It's better you go on in.
You now cramp my spirit today, you know? You're not and you cramp my
Mommy,
spirit.
you need to come out of my love life. One, you're going to lie down.
You're still afraid of lick though. Oh.
Daddy. Daddy, oi. Come on, find phone. Can you ever depend your phone? You see me, man?
Where you talking from?
Me say if you see me, man, and I read my lips them properly. You know, hear me?
Do I look like a security? Or a man keeper? Eh?
Me no reason I'm asking for some money. You see me, man? Yes or no?
No, from morning me up on the road. I don't see nobody. What happened to you now?
You know what? No, say me left the man in the house this morning. At 5 o'clock now. You know, so that time for me come back at me yard. Me no see him. Me can't find him.
Let me ask you a question. You expect, say, to leave a man a yard and come back and see the man?
Yeah?
You don't expect the man to take a walk to?
No.
So you expect the man to sit down in the house all day,
Yes.
not doing anything?
Yes. And that's why me go work. So
You're mad.
no. I mean need him to report.
You them mad.
He need to report to me, you know.
That if your mama couldn't do me that. As much as you see your mama there foreign and work, right? And I send money after me build up your house, see him. You see me up there? Me alone now stay there for the moment you move out. Go rent place and put your man living there. Eh? And you have your mother house you could have stayed there. But no, because you want their own man. You know what help me? You know what help me? Up there. You want living with man.
Daddy, look for me from head to toe.
Me see you?
You see me?
Yeah.
No clog up over your eyes then.
No.
Me look like my mother. Me look like I know yammed idiot girl. If me have a man, if me say tan in the yard, he be tan in the yard.
That's why you're not going to have none. Look at the last one.
I don't busy.
Look at the last one.
I don't give a damn.
The man have to take out a restraining order for you.
Sure.
To stay far out in life.
Me don't have time for you to talk and talk to you. I mean, even if I'm left out the yard, daddy, you're supposed to tell me, you're supposed to report.
Well, I understand that part, but every man don't just keep up every day and tell her. Where you want to take a man for? As a girl clown?
I'm a girl clown. I'm my clown, I feel me man that.
You know, some feel like something wrong with them. Okay, me go, I'm telling your man I send her money this week again. Me go carry her to a brain scan, because something wrong with that.
Daddy, see instead of give me the money for a brain scan, you go do a scan for your brain. My brain quite alright, I hear the idiot. I'm not going to send the money, give me my share of the money, that me I tell you. I'm not long talking. Make one walk, go program if me see him. And you see, if you see him no up on the road, you saw before me see him, they will tell you from like a 10 Batman go over the yard. Because they say Batman fast.
I wish you luck.
You go look for him.
I wish you luck.
Where you come from?
Even I come from now, we are even there.
Where you think me I come from?
Work.
No! Me come here every day and me walk up and go look if me see and look up and me father son. But I tell me something my father yard I come from where you come from.
So you not check your shop?
No!
Me and them boy they done their drink.
So to me,
And I chill out.
to be careful. You see the next time you go on the road, you must report to me say if nothing to your family member they must say I may do something to you. You hear me I say? And me don't want you go down to the shop with the boys them. Because they will influence you if you go look, girl, I'm not going to look nobody because I'm not going to leave me up in here. And then again, all this smell around by you.
Me, you know me not drink. Me just sit down there in here somewhere around. Me don't want to last me here. See me finally reach home there.
Oh, where food? Cookie food?
Boy, no, me never get the cookie. But me have cookie now. I look what some fancy here lately. Because through them boy they call me and I shop this so me did me I go to me but the time run out for me. See you reach already there.
Yeah, see, at this me I talk about TV. If I go to daytime and work, me tell them say, full up the sheet them and they on the bed. You see if them put them up your stuff. You won't even fold them up, you take them and dash them down. And this me I talk about. You is a man, you act like you're a lady. Act like a man and top act like you're a lady. And a matter of fact, I need to check down this stuff to see if they use it. So when I take the forgot.
So you want to check that? You don't check your audience and say no.
I need to check it again. You left out of the yard today. Get up. Bathroom. You take me a laugh video.
Every time I ask the girl to clean up, she will clean up the place. Sure. Doesn't take the place for rubbish. Me have to walk behind you clean up.
Mommy. Go put on hot pan stove.
You make me a clean up after you come out and ask me foolishness.
Remember
You know, if I
foolish.
have food and pot and fire and things.
Alright, exactly. So how you want me to go there with Bob?
Remember, say, when you was down on your face, who used to put your pot on fire?
That was no day.
You have a short memory. Bob used to help you. Bob used to go out and go hustle while you cut 10 a yard and cook up your butter and cut 10.
I don't want Bob right now. Bob don't have no money. We go stuck in a poverty.
That is using, my girl.
Oh, that's how you using.
That is using. So when him have money, him good enough for you.
Yeah.
But when you have money and him not have money, so we are gonna do with this one now? You talk to the same thing.
Me don't want Bob, and that's all one me don't talk. Me don't want Bob. Me don't talk. So
You don't know what you want out of this life. You don't know what you want out of this life.
What do you mean by me don't know what me want out of this life?
Simple. Simple.
Why make you bet for Bob so? What about him so?
At least you know, say, are you, right? Me not like my spirit not take the brown one. Him look shady, you know, see him yeah, them close together and sweet up. Mine big and wide.
Mommy,
and bright and
I
shiny.
don't care if you don't want him, you don't want me there with him. And him here dead right now and him me there go for the road go look for. So you alright and you lucky. Me not live my life to please you.
All you know, better yam food and yam plenty food. Cause any woman
Mommy,
come
bye.
here, you gotta drop pen.
Oh.
She's so hard years, man. Sure.
Me. Sit down, me need to talk to you. Sit down, me need to talk to you about something important. Sit down. Me, go up on the road.
Go do what?
Me going to do some business. Me not going to work today. I take the day off.
Yeah.
Me go up on the road and do one business. And me now come back until night, until dark. Dust up before me come back. So me ask you, please, for the love of God, if you listen to me the rest of the time, then listen to me and know and do not leave the yard. Do not leave out of the yard, Timmy.
No, Sabi, me not left here. The boy them good, so now go left here. Me go there till I come back.
Good. And look how food I'm coming late. I'm like, you make breakfast to me this morning. That's a start, right? Yes. So just clean up the place and do what you're supposed to do. And please, me, I beg you, Timmy. It's not like saying me I deal with a rough fire. You know, it's just that I'm afraid of give me bun. Me know why you give me bun. You better not tell me they won't give me bun because nobody now come in the yard.
Nah, give no bun. Me go prove it, say me not give no bun. You go come back and see me in the yard.
Alright, me now come back, you know. So make sure you time in the yard.
Alright.
Alright, come. Yeah.
Yeah. I tell you, you can't go on. But me fit time now, yard. Time now with yard. Road me a come go right now. Take me and no woman rule me and tell me what to do and when to left yard and when to stay in the yard. Right.
Come on, you pass me, say no, see.
No, sir.
You know what, say me take much and never tell you, say me want you back. And me and you feel a link, and I don't really want you left out of me side. You mean, you're not here good.
That go for me. You're not easy. You're not easy. What do you mean by you want me? What do you mean by you want me?
Me tell you, say me want you.
Me not want you, so stop see me on the road and talk to me. Because I don't want nobody feel like to me they come here or there. You know, let me tell you, as a matter of fact, let me tell you this. You know the reason why I left you? Because you sit down there in the bedroom, don't ready yet.
What are you talking about?
Let me know what I talk about. Down there so a ticklish me. Me love Tibby Riches with the long john. You see? Me can boom pan it. You see how they sturdy? Oh God. Me boom me. I saw me a boom me. You see fear now? Me can't boom off him. Eh?
Where you tell me that from? Me don't need to know where your man in the bedroom. Me not chat about your man.
Me I make you know what me don't want you. Your body local.
Make it tan.
Me don't like that. Me like the long john. You see, I tell me now, when me boom pan it, so boom pan it 2 times, I be your things. You can't make me back, and then I get you broke. Yes, a broke. Me no need broke chopper.
Stop going so man. I don't know where you're at, Sam.
B, what they go on there, so?
That boy, man, I try to rob me. See me, I try to pick me pocket and I hold on for me, want me to give me money. Rush him.
Hey boy, what you do? Rush me now. Rush.
You go for me. You
Rush
don't
me.
know, man.
Rush
You
me now.
want to look
Rush
girl.
me. Hey boy, how you rush me now? Boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. Rush me now. You know what's so bad?
Yeah.
Rush me now. How you do? Hey boy.
Rush him back now.
Now you look serious, boy.
Yeah, idiot.
I'm tell you about rush.
Yeah, girl, I want. Rush him now.
Come on.
You know, saying that no sense, because
Hey,
just
boy,
rush him with 2 big stones.
Rush him again, let me see.
Huh?
I'm clear.
Hey. Open it. You see? You're idiot. Here is not a man. What are you?
No,
One
much more.
down.
Let's say boy,
One
friend.
down, you know, no sense.
What boy?
Lord, just make it. You don't even know what me have this on for. Hey.
Watch out.
Hey.
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
What?
Why me there? I'm just get out of the rain. Like you know.
You know, see your son-in-law. Hey!
Son-in-law. Ha! So quick. You turned son-in-law already. Ha! Well, alright, my dear.
It's my dear.
You done make up your mind so they can't change it. Well, one son-in-law.
Yeah, not until evening.
Yeah, man, evening. You good?
Yeah, man, you.
Yeah, man, I'm giving thanks.
Alright.
I can't discourage you, my daughter. But, I don't want you. When the man looks so good, and you eye them close,
Mommy.
be careful.
Mommy, everything alright.
Son-in-law, so I can't say nothing.
Yes.
Oh,
everything
you look
alright.
like say you have plenty when they eat off of your plate, so.
No, auntie, man, you want to burn your daughter alone, you chat to him.
You see? If I did that, there's somebody that will start pick up and now, you know, so I have one bag of woman.
Well, you must know. My belly a rumble and my mouth dry. So do, may I beg you. Like your husband to be or your husband whatnot, do. Go wash up the plate then and rake up the yard. So when we come down, we can cook. I'm hungry bad.
Come on, be my washing plate before your mother comes. Alright, let me hungry too, you know.
So you're safe for dinner?
Yes, mommy, must stay for dinner. So hurry up and come.
Alright, me will time you, I soon come. Ever eating?
What, mommy?
Really want to talk to you. I want to ask you something. What you really want out of this life, eh?
I remember what man has said this life.
Because from what me see, you know, sure say you have no ambition, want nothing. Huh?
Mommy, me know me want to get better. You know want to see me in a big car, you know want to come out of this board house here.
And how you plan to do that?
With the man when me there with now. Mommy, you have to understand, say, at best me I look for you two away.
Alright. Me understand say the best way you look. But me not see how you move towards it. A complexion you look
Mommy.
on.
Which complexion?
So why you want this one over the man who come asking for your hand? Him asking
Mommy.
for you. Him obviously
Mommy.
change and want you.
I don't want him. You don't see that? Stop come to me about that. If I want him, you not go on to him.
Me no want no young boy.
Okay,
You
so
too
leave
old
me
for
and my
that.
relationship alone then.
But yeah, you still, me not see where this relationship do you no good. You still a come in and a vomit up the place. You still a come in high as a kite.
When me not hide this morning, yeah.
And a munchy so. And a munchy so. Huh? Every minute you have the munchies, man.
You know, she said the boy help me wash up the plate them. That's I can cook the food. You know, she help me clean up the place. One more son-in-law like that you could have possibly want.
Him just have an aura about him, me not trust. Him just have something about him, me not trust. He and them too close together.
Yeah, they're close together too.
do it, man. Really.
What this man?
Care flowers.
Eh? The care flowers? Oh, thank you. Carry them back. We are get them for. What are they want to do with them there?
You take on some them for?
Hey.
I don't like how you did me from when no really.
That's with them
Look
there.
nice enough if your flowers come give you.
I don't care.
You can't talk for me.
What she thought to me say?
Really, me tell you to tell them I love you and I want you.
No love me have my man. Me tell you let me explain something to you again. I do not want you anymore. You can't tell me that poverty. And the first thing for you, I want to look at Taily. I don't, you know, say swizzle up, it come like swizzle. Swizzle. You know when you suck out the juice out of the bag juice and that shit that you have. Me don't want a man like you. So take it a good time and go back to your yard.
So that's what you worry about?
As a matter of fact, me call me baby.
I don't like how you did me, no. Just I did me away. Alright then. Later.
Go on in your yard, man. Me said the boy sick, me stomach, you see?
Riri, you really have to deal with him, so.
Mommy?
All if you don't want him, you couldn't talk nice. You know,
Mommy?
say your father never yet picked flowers, come give me.
Well, they say like how my father never yet pick flowers. Go and go there with him, cause him pick flowers can't give me. Cause you love me no foolishness.
No,
You feel
sir.
like flowers can't give me money, can't eat. You feel like flowers can't eat. Listen to me, you better stop it talking. Cause right now me will eat a burger. Me will call my boyfriend. Watch out, oh, Tibi not answer me.
I saw it begin. Jaja.
Baby, what going?
Me there, face you for the place.
As me come.
Me have something to say to you now.
What
It's
I
like because start now you put upon me yesterday, but the reason you come in and you close you put up a chair that do want to do your work. You say you go to work today again. Because me I got work.
No, you mean B? So,
Yes.
So don't get me soon get ready and go out.
Because you see when weekend come, I want to say carry some big bills. I want to say carry some money. If you don't carry no money, you don't get no pay. If you show me the boss thing, and me tell the boss you got labor board for the time where you work and don't get no pay.
B, you don't have to do all of that, B. Come on.
Yes.
I mean, I don't get nothing much. Because work for me, I don't know hard work me, I don't be. So, you don't do all of that.
Just make sure you see money coming
So,
at the
if
house.
me there working, I must have to see money.
And it's like how I know you got work and me I got work, the place shall stand tidy up. And it shall smell good because you won't day here. Nobody won't day here. You understand what I say?
I must understand you.
Good.
If you talk be with me so sweet.
Oh, me I deal with you.
See me get all the work there and things. I suppose if you are treat me go there now. Come there working now.
Whenever you bring in money, me treat you good. You know, after you cannot tell me say you got work and you're not gonna work. Let me say money first.
Weekend.
Good. So anyways, me I got work now. Give me up. Love you. And be careful at work. You hear? Don't let them walk out. You can be work later.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
How is that? Hello? What about Riri? You know, say, I couldn't see phone ring when I time I couldn't get fiancé because I didn't want to come in. Which part of it? Alright, I'm going to for you now, baby. Alright, later.
I bump the bus and thing.
I want Bob.
Can't believe I really you really don't me for this I think me.
Bob, me been dumped here before me and me all meet him. Me tell you tell us that me don't want you. Me don't want your satches, your swizzle up satches.
Every time I see you,
all the time, all the thing you do make me laugh. Him make me bawl and scream on top of my lungs. You make me laugh.
I'm on this.
Yes.
I really man this.
Yeah, boy.
So,
I'm a boy and he's a bitch. I'm on this here.
Who a bitch? I am one bitch, cause you not run me down. Idiot, boy.
Hey boy, go first, boy. How are you, boy?
Rushing me, rushing.
I second time now me see you, no boy.
Right.
Or third time, you know, boy.
One we are go, Bob.
Okay.
Hey boy.
I say it I go now.
You mean by if I saw it, I go go?
So every time I see you want to rush me.
Bob, every time you see me and my man, you come and intervene. Not intervene in our talking. You look idiot,
Remember what
boy.
happened me in a youth? Remember that you rushed me last time, you know?
I check my man.
No, check me.
Satches, boy. Your satches fridge up now.
Alright, donkey.
With a little something.
Alright, donkey.
Go away with a little something.
Let's say, me I done.
Yeah, you have it done. You have it done down there. Him film something to swizzle up.
Wow, nice lady. You know, see?
You think me a prostitute?
What?
You see prostitute, my family like me a prostitute?
Prostitute for me, say nice lady.
No, it's the thing we do now. You see me also me nice. And if me take a compliment now, you go say, oh, me can't get your number. And you don't get me number, you want to go between my legs. And that you want. Me tell you this, me have a man. And me not give him bun. Him alone me want, and him is the done in my life. You understand what I say?
You're not going to deal with some of a nice lady.
No, Mr. Tell a friend, know what me I deal with. I have to stay loyal to my man. Right with someone, no
So we can
boy.
be friends. Friends, man. We get to know each other.
Alright, we see you around one next time. But you say, no, I don't see you going and look, man. Because going and walk up to man and say this and that and that and that. I don't style that.
True.
Not because you look good and you're handsome and you're short and muscular, whatever you want to call a word and tick up. That means you'll get between my legs quick and get my number, you know.
That's true.
Right, so I make sure you me give my man bun. So get it in your head. I come close on the road. What's your name?
My name Bob.
No, my name Kayla. Nice to meet you, Bob.
Nice to meet you, Kayla. I feel nice, though.
Yes, I feel my man. Rub him up.
Don't bring me in your face. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up, man.
So yeah, you good.
Alright. You alright?
Yeah, man, you alright, man.
Okay.
You must alright in there.
Oh. You're so cool. You go to start from us about study your time.
So you see, no more school be, you're blind. Yeah, baby. Really hot now. What I do? Don't me. Soon come.
Excuse me, young lady.
Hi.
Who that wrong gun on this one?
Oh, boy.
Oh, you can't say me things you want a gunman. Come here, say me name you gonna come in and want to get robbed, you know.
I know gunman, man. I know gunman.
Oh, so you gone, you good?
Yeah, me alright.
How your name?
Aye. Me not too want you come friend me, no. Cause me don't want you to friend me. I can't take with me, man. Cause right now I'm so very happy. And you see, look girl pick me one day, so now, while they vanish, while they run here, so nowadays, you love contact people, man. So me don't want no friends from you.
First of all, me not take people that me don't want your man. And second of all, me have my man, so I see the problem why they go on so.
Baby girl, no disrespect is just the truth. I just don't want no friend. You see, friend is shitting at people. I don't want no friend come
Let me ask you one question. Me did come here and say, me a beg your friend. Me did say that.
So we are talk up to you don't want, you know, say me not you see this, see me around from. I say me don't want nobody talk to me. Bye.
Say like a stinking mouth, girl, I come talk up to. And say my fault, me shoot up and chat like a butter, yes, girl, yeah.
You see?
We are there.
But what you are there?
Me go work and no current I did there, so I come back home kind of in the sense me did there. What you do, yeah? What you do,
When
yeah?
me have a right boss call and tell him say current gone. So me turn back.
You know, so me see somebody in a suit up on the road.
Who, me?
But what if you me see on the road and run come?
No.
When me a come, when me reach right at the big one, me see one man around good on the road.
You sure of me?
Me never see the face, me in the set exact clothes like this me see.
No, Pia, no me that. Cause me did me reach back home good while while he done. They are wait for you. Cause boss them say current gone. So me not to bother come and work tomorrow.
Oh, so you see the room, the building that take up it. So you see like how the two we work at the same area. So you thought like for the morning time and go work together.
No, B, you want, remember I say you go and work before me now. What you want me to do? Give boss early time.
Yes.
Me nah
When I get boss early time, make more money.
Me nah do that.
Ooh, I'm tired as hell. Anyways, I know, so me just reach and still. Me and you left me go cook some mackerel and rice. Me go on the road, go link my father because me say my mother send money. I'm not making money this time.
So, B, you can't lend more money out there. Deal with some, please.
Alright, lend me money. Alright, maybe lend me money. And hopefully me get it back as I lend you. I'm hoping I get paid. They give me it back.
Some of them must have to get back. The young God, man. If me never did get back, man, I say beg.
Oh, well, me I can't go on the road still, so go link my father and come back.
So every time as you come for work, you want to go be.
Definitely, you don't want the money if you borrow.
So you
Make
could
sure
ease
you
off
don't-
look first.
Make you say no mess up, you know. Make you say no mess up. Come, could I swear to me see somebody just like how you
I know
they
me.
march and come on the road.
Probably I'm a twin brother. I don't know if you will be.
Yeah, twin. Ramp with me. Me come up on the road. Too.
Alright.
Yes, look boss for me.
Alright.
Daddy. I know I called for you.
Why? You know,
We need
I
the-
know what you come and look for.
Yes, the money. We need the money now.
Cause you never look for your father unless you want something or a big something. Why?
Me not beg nothing and the money my mommy send me need.
What do you need?
The money my mommy send, more my share now. Me take my call her, you know. Because I know say get the money.
We don't have it in a cash.
So I'm gonna get it.
I don't my fault. It's either you check me later or you check me tomorrow.
Alright, we can send it to my account. I have an account, you know my account info.
I do have that.
So send it to my account. Why you so stingy with money?
Enough.
And let me ask you something. You know say next year mommy I come, right?
Yes, somewhere wrong with that.
You know, and if you realize but I realize that the house now really gonna know where money been a send.
You chat too much.
We think the roof will take too long to move.
No, me tell you, woman say, I give you the money to fix the boyfriend art.
How do my boyfriend art?
I feel like something about this.
My
Sooner or
God.
later.
Listen to me. So,
Me not
Daddy,
spend it, you know.
Daddy,
Me have the money call out
stop.
though.
Do that. This. When I say them make something, they're supposed to make something doing hard now. That you cannot do that.
Alright, you ready? I want to send you 40 grand.
Which is just going to say 50.
40. You buy a little grocery put it in your house and so. That's all I can help you with now.
Alright.
You're big enough, we shouldn't even get add me add 10,000 for you know. Your mother send $200 USD, you know. How me had 10 for me? Because you're my picnic.
Sure.
And you deserve it.
200 years how much money?
30,000. I mean, why you really depend on no man for no money.
Right.
So, I going to get 10,000 more money, but check your account in the next 2 hours from now. I gotta check my cat down the road.
Oh yeah, we cut it on the road. No one day no money. My mommy house can't move.
You don't feel like your mommy have man over there too?
No one day some mag.
You think your mommy go there over farm for 8 months and not text you?
Your beard? Me see cement on your hand. What is up on your hand?
Oh, your mother house me there work for me. And you say me not work for me. I was working.
You sure you never work that in the bush? Can look all pan maca there on your foot.
There's a bush I take up your house.
Alright.
What want you?
Come on, we're going on the road. Buy more ice cream too. Come on, I'm going to go on the road.
Out of 40 grand, no problem. You think me I eat that? You think me food?
Me no want money some
Okay.
I want ice cream.
Sometimes we can't take that daughter of mine, you know. Come home, air con on, fan on, light on, and she not pay no damn bills in ya. Eh? All me have to sit outside and take a little cool breeze. When me go find 20,000 now from Ja? Oh God. Me have to go pay them piece. Yeah, I don't know better still.
Hello.
What?
Oh,
You
man.
alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Aye, glad
I
to
just,
see you.
yeah, man, I just come to tell you, man, about good news, you know?
Why? That me want hear right, you know.
Yeah, man. We come to tell us I don't really interested in that anymore because I make it now. Yeah. So things start real good for me and I'm start have little dollars.
What? Are
Yeah.
you that?
Yeah, man. So me make it now. Yeah, man. That's what I say I won't be coming to you anymore until I say talk to your daughter for me and talk to this and talk to that. I'm over her now. I mean, why don't me come in here and quarrel about bills and something so?
Why? Me happy for still.
Mm.
I saw you bossy. Me happy for you, man.
So I'm 500, you have to carry your bills. And
For real?
yeah, man, take him, man. I know you're being a good mother to your daughter. So,
Oh, God
good
bless
man,
you.
so,
Lord God, you make the hair them stand up on my hand. All the grey one them too. Thank you, here.
yeah, man, I hit man. You
Oh,
know?
wow, me happy for you.
Although I wasn't your son-in-law, but I was one time. But
You're always in
know,
her heart.
Yeah, we have to do. We have to do for you, you know?
I'm just sorry, Sishi. I what do you? What do you? What happened? What happened?
Girl, beat me. Oh, God, man.
Girl beat you for?
Me name, man.
Hey! Hey! Me name warn you. Me name warn you. Nothing cut or nothing. You bruise up or cut nothing.
No, man.
Alright, you sure? I told you so. Me never tell you. This is the second time. How much time really you gonna make woman beat you for them man? So how you drop? You drop both or you drop peng? Yeah.
Mommy, me drop both.
You see that now? Want it, no can't get it, no want it. See Bob come round, yeah? And Bob help me with the bills
How
them.
much money that is?
No, but don't worry about that. That's
Bob.
between me and my son-in-law.
Mommy, how
Well,
much money in gear?
none of your business.
As me I
Eh?
say, I just deal with it, I have to deal with it. And
Thank you. Thank you very
God bless you.
much.
Come
Let
on,
me
yeah,
all
do
hug
that
you
now,
up and say thank you.
Alright.
Me show you appreciation.
So
When
you're
you
bad then now, mommy?
No, but me have manners. Eh? The man bring you flowers where they see you throw it down there, so.
Bob. Bob.
Move dog. So, don't do that. I'm not interested anymore. I'm gonna find myself a nice girl out the road.
So you for
Big up yourself, here.
Alright, blessings.
Mongrel.
How you do?
What kind of mongrel
What you
this
do?
man?
Nobody come cry to me and don't call your dog already. Go for me. Woof woof. Go find next man with money. I make next girl beat you up. Me I go get ready for go and shop now.
Man, girl, me so fool. Ah.
Hey,
Eh?
they all got work and all right.
Yeah.
But me not coming back this evening. Me have a double shift. So me not come back until tomorrow.
Really, B?
Yes.
I'm what kind of boss now?
I'm not really the boss now. Me take up the double shift and I say we need to make money, you know. I say we not no money and we need money to survive. Right there, look 40,000 my father sent from my account yesterday. Me get 20 out of it. So right now, just 20 left and go straight to buy nothing to buy. I'm going to buy some new underpants or something. So, you all got to work. I'm going to come back until tomorrow. I might be next week. But even if I like week, if I gone for the week,
Yeah.
you have money. You can survive. You have your own day.
Sure, you take care of yourself, you know, B.
Yeah. Yeah, alright.
No, I'm not alright. I'm not really well, I'm not like that.
You feel sick?
Yeah.
But with the temperature feel alright, you don't feel away, you don't feel hot.
You know, I don't feel good at that time, I don't be.
Yeah, I'm stay with you. I'm stay with you and call you. boss.
No, don't stay with me. Go on, cause remember say I have to work, B.
Oh, yeah, for true.
Money I have to make.
Right. So, remember, do not give me money.
B.
Because I have a dream last night. See, you give me bun. I said last time when I shot your box, I'm tell you, say I'm a mastica. I dream a dream, say you give me when I shot your box in your sleep, you know.
B, I'm sick right now, so I'm not getting my money.
Good. Make sure you don't make nobody trouble it, because I'm my cucumber.
I just have to live and sleep.
Yeah, alright, I got work.
Really? Yeah, you can come here. You can share my location here. Alright, there we go.
Daddy. What's going on?
Listen, me give you all what me have in there.
What is my bag there?
What you have?
So you say me I come custom with you for a couple hours.
No, something not right. Why all this time now I know you want to come up on my yard and spend a couple hours? Why go on?
I feel like me I get born. So I come here and spend time with you so I can see if me I get born.
Nothing wrong if you get born. Nothing is not wrong.
Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
Born is a must.
You have sense?
Look how your mother called me this morning. I confess. I said, I know already, baby. I know.
So you confess that you are getting born with your best friend?
I'm not telling you I'm best friend, but I'm telling you, you know, I love you, but I can't play with Jimmy and Sister Palmer, so I have to just get it from somewhere else. So she understands.
Why you telling me
I'm
I'm nastiness there?
you're a girl picking it, so I try to tell you,
I don't need to know I'm a father. Just tell me, Daddy. Last night, me asleep, me have a dream. Say my give me born. So me jump, I shut in my back.
Back to back, you
I'm a dream time I give me born.
so that is in reality when you're not doing.
Me a box him down, me a beat him. So to me, you see, you understand? Me make up my mind. It's like how Dave give me bun, me nah make Tibby give me bun. Tibby is mine, and I nah give up on Tibby. Any day me fella say I give me bun, me a beat him. Me a beat him, go and beat him, come.
Find a different man.
Come on, now.
How would you say in a blue shirt or walk come?
Me don't know, I eat that boy.
Slim as. Slim as. Chocolate.
Yeah, ignore the man, for the man attack to you.
Beautiful.
You see me look like chocolate.
What one?
Eh?
Me don't tell you for the other day say me no want you. Me don't tell you for the other day say me no want you.
What do you mean? I'm blessed now, you know? I am blessed.
You could have been blessed or blessed or anything. Me don't want you. Me tell you me have money, much of this me have my man. Me have my man, me don't want you. What you can't understand?
What on your man, me and look at you?
What do you understand? Me have my man, me have... You idiot. When they get a chance, you take it.
Daddy, I'm afraid you look at talk.
Take it.
Daddy,
So you see, you know
it's
what?
me not coming like a you who give me bun, you know. Me loyal to my man. I mean, I give my man bun. My man is my everything.
Alright,
Okay.
man. Stay with the man. Everything good. I mean, I tell you, I'm blessed, you know what?
How are you blessed
Bless the
with?
packet, them blessed, you know?
Me no business money can't catch me.
Can you give me one? Give me away the ugly eye.
No, man, she don't
Back
want
up.
this, so.
Back up.
So you
Wow.
good.
You fish.
The man saying bless.
Good.
So me I tell
You know what, something to do.
Me don't want the upper drink. Me not thirsty. Me have my man.
Me thirsty.
No, man, if you act like a man. But anyways, I come good on me, yeah?
Ah,
Good man.
Daddy, me go and go check my man. Come
Alright,
check
go
my
on, go
man,
on,
yeah.
go on. What?
Yeah, how do you?
Say alright.
No more sorry. Fair deal.
You're fully alright.
Of course.
So come now, young so daddy, come on, take off your shirt now.
So I got them for a long time.
Take off your shirt, man. Ready now, ready up.
Yes. Yes, you dirty girl. After you see me panel like this, I owe this. Owe this to me, owe this. That me got to me. Me didn't know what you tell me like. And it's being me scratch. Owe this, It's about owe this again. Come on.
Say the one you get it now.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come on. You're the next one.
No, B.
You are the next one.
You know what? Tell her rape. She come over here, come and rape me.
I'll let them place.
She come and rape me.
You see that girl see me on the road and face with it.
Yo, man, no, I'm not boxed on her, you know. Yo, you don't know where she lives.
Me tell you now.
Come and call the police.
Listen to me tell you now. You finna ramp with me.
Come and call the police.
Go run this one. Go run this one.